What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the SEI token on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm logged into my Coinbase account, and after that we can click on the buy and sell option on the right top corner. Now the purchasing overview will be opened, and as you can see, the one-time purchase frequency is selected. If you would like to buy these coins with a different frequency, click on it, and there you can choose a different buying frequency. They have a daily option, a weekly, twice a month or a monthly option. After that, you can go back and fill in the amount of cash you would like to use on this purchase. Let's say 100 euros, and now we can select the asset we would like to buy. Click on it, and we would like to buy the SEI token. Just click on it, and now we can select our payment method which we would like to use to pay for these coins. I use my MasterCard, but if you would like to change this payment method or you would like to add a new one, just click on it and this list will be opened. Now you can select a payment method, but if you don't see any available options, you can simply check out if your Coinbase account is verified, and after that you can add a new payment method to use for these payments. Then select it and go back, click on review order, and now we will get some information about this purchase. As you can see, we are spending 100 euros and the Coinbase fee is free. Normally you would pay 3 euros and 84 cents, but because I have a Coinbase One subscription, the Coinbase fee is completely free. They also will give you an option to invest on a weekly base. That will mean that you will start spending 100 euros every week on this coin, and you can cancel it at any time. Once you've decided to buy these coins, just click on buy now and they will be directly added to your Coinbase account. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.